Yonta sukuntaramas tatantar jyotir evaya sayogi brahma nirvanam brahma bhutodi gacchati. So this verse is all about finding sukha, happiness, arama, delight, and jyoti, light, all under, which means within, which is related to the English word internal.
Join us on Saturday, October the 3rd to learn how to chant verses in Sanskrit. We'll be focusing on chapter 5 of the Bhagavad Gītā, and I'll be talking a little bit about the ideas, the philosophy contained in some of those verses. There's a lot in that chapter about yoga, so if you're interested in those sorts of subjects, we'd love to have you with us.